In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Airtable data. Let's start by opening Airtable on your desktop and signing in. Once you're in, open the base you want to restore. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to make changes, especially if this is a shared base. At the top left corner of your base, click the Base menu. From there, select Snapshots. This is where Airtable keeps previously saved versions of your base, which are extremely helpful if something was deleted or altered by mistake. You'll see a list of available snapshots. Each one includes a creation date, the creator, and a description, which can help you quickly identify the point in time you want to return to. Take a moment to scan for the snapshot that best matches when your data was correct. If your team uses descriptions, look for notes that reference key changes or milestones to guide your choice. When you've identified the right snapshot, click Restore on that version. Airtable will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm and your base will revert to the state saved in that snapshot. Keep in mind that this brings back the structure and data as they were at that time, so it's a good idea to coordinate with collaborators to avoid confusion if others are currently working in the base. If you only need to bring back specific tables and you previously exported them as CSV files, you can restore just those tables. Open a new or existing table, then go to the View menu, choose Import, and select CSV file. Upload your saved CSV to restore the table's data. For best results, make sure your CSV headers match your field names, and double-check field types after import so everything lands in the right format. After restoring, verify the data carefully. Review records, fields, and linked relationships to ensure everything looks correct. If you manage tasks, projects, or any critical workflows, spot check a few examples to confirm they behave as expected. You can follow along in Airtable using the link at the top of the description to restore your data step by step. Finally, set yourself up for success going forward. After restoring, create a new snapshot or export fresh CSV files so you have a clean restore point. Building a habit of regular backups helps you recover quickly if mistakes happen again, and adding clear descriptions to snapshots will make future recoveries even faster. That's how you can restore Airtable data and recover previous versions safely. Thanks for watching.